What's up, guys? It's Steve from DMC, and here I actually have in my garage a brand new Lamborghini. Alright, it appears we've hit a bit of an obstacle. What we're gonna do about this is kind of turn it. Easy does it. Come on. Oh, hold on. Come on. Alright, professional. Hey, it's called turn signals. Road a bad idea. I can see that now. Boy, it is a good idea. It's a sidewalk. Oh. This is weird. So confused. Oh my god, it's having one of those postmortem spasms. Here. Let's do this. Shred, bro. Lightning speed. Yeah, I thought that would look up quads. Things like these. They don't really off-road. So let's try it in this driveway. Okay, that doesn't work. Let's try and do this. Oh. Try and get out of it. Oh no. Works perfectly. I don't really have any this. There's not really a lot of in my town there's not really a lot of place to shred, but there's this mound of dirt. Let's do this. Oh! It seems to be stuck. Get him out of it. Alright, our next stunt test. Okay, get him out. He failed both the stunt tests. I think he got further in the in that one test, the first test. Let's see if he. Oh, dude, that was close. He almost went into the trash. This thing's going into the trash if it continues to put this up. Seems to be struggling. Okay, get it out. So it seems to be, as a conclusion, don't let, in conclusion, don't let, RC cars, die. Yeah.